Hello, and welcome to our video on the food web. The food web is a complex network of interactions between different organisms in an ecosystem. In this video, we're going to explore the role of producers, consumers, and decomposers in the food web. Producers are organisms that can make their own food. They do this through a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide with a special molecule called chlorophyll to make glucose, a type of sugar that plants use for energy. A byproduct of this process is oxygen gas. Plants are the most common type of producers. Other producers include algae and some bacteria. Consumers are organisms that cannot make their own food. They get their energy by eating other organisms. There are three types of consumers. Primary consumers eat producers. They're also called herbivores. Some examples of primary consumers include deer, rabbits, and squirrels. Secondary consumers eat primary consumers. They're also called carnivores. Examples of secondary consumers include lions, tigers, and bears. Tertiary consumers eat secondary consumers. They're also called top predators. Examples of tertiary consumers include eagles, sharks, and wolves. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead organisms and waste products. This process is called decomposition. Decomposition returns nutrients to the soil, which can then be used by the producers to make more food. Examples of decomposers include bacteria, fungi, and worms. The food web is a complex network of interactions between producers, consumers, and decomposers. Energy flows through the food web from producers to consumers to decomposers. When a producer, like the kelp, is eaten by a consumer, a small fish, some of the energy from the producer is transferred to the consumer. When the consumer dies, decomposers break down the consumer's body and return the nutrients to the environment. The nutrients are then used by producers to make more food. The food web is important for maintaining the health of an ecosystem. If one part of the food web is disrupted, it can have a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. For example, if the population of a consumer, such as the sea otter, decreases, the population of the sea urchins will increase. This can lead to an overpopulation of the sea urchins, decreasing the amount of kelp available in the environment due to the overfeeding of the urchins on the kelp. With less kelp to support the entire food web, the system can be damaged and the entire ecosystem might possibly collapse due to the lack of producers. It's important to protect the food web so ecosystems can remain healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video on the food web. Thank you for watching.